We are now at the part where we are going to do the heel flap, and I wanted to go over the setup and then the instructions for the heel flap. So right here we have one finished sock, and let me just turn it around. So we are right here, and we are going to do this Eye of Partridge heel, which has this really nice garter stitch edge. And then you'll notice, which you can't really see it too clearly on these socks because of the striping, but the knit one slip one alternates, and you get this really nice effect. So that's what we are going to do in this video. To set up our socks, I'm just gonna pull that aside so it's out of the video. So here's my sock that I'm currently working on, and I am now ready to do the setup. So I'm using DPNs, and just get this out of the way. Here we go. I'm using DPNs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on the first needle, I'm going to knit 6, purl 2 on these stitches. And then when I go to do these stitches, which is 32, I'm also going to do knit 6, purl 2. And then I'll show you where we go from there. I have now finished knitting across these 32 stitches, and now in the instructions it says to turn your work. So we're going to turn our work like this, and now we have the wrong side of the heel flap facing us, and this is where the instructions are not correct, because it says right here, row 1, right side. Well, that should be WS, and then this should be RS. So those need to get changed. So we are going to, let me just do that right now. So looking through my camera here. So this should be WS. And this should be right S. There we go. Okay, so now grabbing my needle, it says to knit 3 and purl to the end. So we are going to do that. Knit 3, let's get this 1, 2, 3, and purl to the end. And there we go. Now it says to, next round is to purl 3, and see, now we have the right side facing. So now we're going to purl 3, and we're going to knit 1, slip 1 to the last 3 stitches. at the last 3 stitches, and it says to knit 3. There we go. And now we're going to turn our work, and row 3 says to knit 3, purl to the end. And now we're going to purl to the end. Okay, that row is done. Now row 4 says to purl 3, slip 1, knit 1. So you'll notice the difference. That says slip 1, knit 1, whereas row 2 said knit 1, slip 1. So be mindful of that, because the first time I did this, I was not paying attention. So we are row 4, purl 3, slip 1, knit 1. I think I'm doing this right. I'm trying to look through my, hang on 1 second. There we go. 1, 2, 3. See, there's our garter edge showing up. And just to reconfirm, it is slip 1, knit 1. Two, 3. And there we go. We have done the 4 rounds, 4 rows, and we are going to repeat these rows for a total of 32 rows, and then we will knit 3 and purl to the end. So there you go. So that's what the heel flap is starting to look like.